Okay. Now accepted. So to issue this one, TTM slash M2 I have to do.
M1-2. You have to issue both EMDs, right?
One is first is issued already.
Then
Okay,
you
done.
do M2/RT.
Yeah, done.
Hmm.
Sir, it's showing like this, sir.
What is it?
I sent it.
Mm-hmm.
It's done.
Yeah, I think you have already selected it once and you're trying to do it again. So that's why you see the message is clear. Duplicate exists. So I think you have already booked it. You can close this and check in your PNR whether you already have an SSR. And you're doing it in my PNR only, brother. See the name of the passenger. I think you did not create a PNR. You did not copy and create the PNR on your own. Correct, no?
Yeah. Just
You're doing it in my PNR. That's why you're getting that message. Create another PNR and do in that. It will work. Okay, very good.
Sir,
Yes.
LCW for what?
ICW is issued in
Yeah,
connection
I
with.
see. Mm-hmm.
Issued in connection with. That's just to associate the ticket number. Okay, done, everyone?
Sir, can you show me the code this ICW? I want to see from your reservation.
My reservation, ICW.
Yeah.
Here. This is my ICW.
QM.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Now in EMD, just like your TST, okay, your EMDs also, you can have multiple EMDs in your TSM. So let's say now this customer is also requesting for some preferred seats. Okay, he wants to block some seat numbers and there could be some charges involved in that. So firstly, to open the seat map, all of you know the graphical seat map, you can just do SM, okay, and enter. Just in case if this graphical seat map is not opening for you, Then kindly check your settings here. In your view settings, when you will check in display, your second last option, seat map display, it should be selected as graphic and then click on save. Okay, in case if it is not opening in graphical. Then when you will do SM entry, Sugar Mike, straight away it will open the graphical seat map for you. And you will see your first flight over here. If there are multiple flights, then the first flight segment will show over here. And on the right hand side, you will see this seat map over
Mine,
here.
Richard, mine is not opening up.
Okay, did you check your settings?
Yeah, FM you said, no?
No, no, your
Setting is
settings.
setting is already done. Ah, seat map display graphic.
Okay,
Okay,
save it.
saved already.
Hmm. And now do Sierra Mike.
Invalid format not entered FM.
You're entering the wrong format. Na? SM, brother, Sugar Mike, not FM.
Sugar mic. Okay, okay,
Yeah,
done.
seat map,
Okay, okay,
SM.
got it. Got it.
Hmm. So once you open the seat map, okay, and you will see on the left hand side of your screen, you will see your seat map over here. And most of the places you will see it is all showing a dollar sign. So all these dollar sign means these are all chargeable seats. All right. You can hover your mouse on any of the seat numbers. Okay, and it will give you the description of the seat with the seat number, and it will also show the amount. If you see at the end of the description down, it will say price per passenger this much. So wherever you will hover your mouse, it will show you this price. Now these price are for indication purpose. Okay, sometimes once you select the seat, there could be some additional tax or something may get added. So I would recommend don't quote the price from here. This is just for your indication purpose. Once you select the seat and book it, you check your TQM and the amount which will show in your TQM, that is the amount you will quote to the passenger. All right. So here you can see here, then wherever you will take your mouse, it will tell you whether this is a galley or whether this is a restroom. So all these, just you have to hover the mouse over this. Okay. Now let's say in our example, this passenger wants to sit here in the window seat right in the first row. So I will select this seat. So the moment I will select, it will get highlighted. The seat number will get highlighted. And you will see on the right hand side, the seat number has got added. Okay, but the status is still blank. Okay, which means it is still not confirmed. So to confirm this, I will click on book seats. Now you will see the color will change and your status also will show as confirm. Okay. Then if I want to book for the second flight, go up, click on this drop down, select your second flight from here. Okay. And then you will select again whichever seat number. Let's say this seat is empty. So wherever you see X, okay, X means it's already reserved. So you can't book these seats. So all the X which you see here, these are already pre-reserved by someone else. So I will select this seat. Again, it will get highlighted. You will see the seat number here. Click on book seats.
Exceeds. It's free or
No, it's not
charge?
free, dear. I explained, no? This dollar sign means it's chargeable. All
Yeah.
these are chargeable.
Hmm.
Okay. These are not free sitting. These are chargeable sitting because we are issuing EMD now, no? So it is not free, huh? So the moment you select your seat, you will get a confirmation here saying it's confirmed. Once it's confirmed, now I have selected for both the flights. So I don't need to do anything further here. Just click on close seat map. Now when you will look in your PNR, you will see the seat numbers have got added with the SSR element. And as I said, there is a slash before the SSR, which means these are all
Chargeable.
chargeable. So please make sure after you close the seat map, please make sure to save the PNR. If you will do IR, the seating will get ignored. Okay. And once you have confirmed the seat numbers, you can also check the seat type. There is an entry given here, RTSTR. If you will do this, you can see the description. So it is your seat number is 28 Lima. It's a chargeable seat. It's a window seat. Similarly, for the return, you have 29 Alpha. Again, it's a chargeable preferred seat. It's a window seat. Okay. Now, the only difference between seating EMD and the baggage EMD is baggage EMD gets auto priced. If you see here, we just clicked on booked and price and automatically the TSM got created. But if you see here, after booking the seat, when I do TQM, so there is still this only the baggage EMD is showing. The other EMD is not showing. The other TSM is not showing. Why? Because when you are doing chargeable seat, after you book the chargeable seat, you have to perform one more extra entry, which is the pricing entry. So this happens only for seating, yeah, not for baggage. So when you are doing a seating with the chargeable seating, once you have booked the seat, you also need to price this. Now to price this segment number 7 and 8, I will do the entry Fox X-ray Gulf slash Lima 7, comma 8. Okay. When I do this, so it will give me the price 420 dirhams, both for going and coming back. Total amount is 420. When you see this amount, again, you will save this. Make sure to save this. Once you have saved this, then if you will do TQM now, so you will see one additional TSM number 2 got added here. TSM number 2. And this is for your element number 7 and 8. What is the amount? 420. You can open this and see. Just like your TST, if I do TQM slash M2, this will open TSM number 2. And I can see this is for chargeable seat. Okay. This is for line number 7, Dubai to Paris. Line number 8, Paris to Dubai. For both the seating, total amount payable is 420. Now all I need to do is add the form of payment for this TSM because previously I added for TSM 1. Now I have to add for TSM number 2. So in this case, my entry will be Tango Mike India slash Mike number 2, which is my TSM number, slash Fox Papa hyphen cash. Save the PNR after this and to issue TTM slash M2 slash RT. Again, I get a message, OK EMD. Now you will look at your PNR. You will see one more EMD line has got added. Line number 13, you can see. So same details, EMD number is there, amount is there, date of issue, the office ID and the IATA number. This also EMD, if you want, you can open EWD slash Lima 13 and you can check. This is for chargeable seat. Status is open. Here also status is open. And you will see the total amount over here for the EMD. Again, in this EMD, you will see the ICW issued in connection. It is the same ticket number, which is there for your baggage. And now when you will open the e-ticket, EWD slash Lima 11, you will see another 2 lines over here. So one is for your, this is for your chargeable seat for the outbound. And there is another EMD number, which is the chargeable seat for the inbound. So automatically this will get associated with each other. Okay, so you guys can try this also.
Sir, what is the last code?
Last code
To see this associated.
TWD slash Lima 11. Just like you open the ticket, no? Okay, so somebody is asking here, these can be do after we issue the ticket, or can we do this kind of steps while we are booking the process? Yeah, you can do this along with the ticket issuance also. You can issue the EMD along with the ticket also. Okay, so it is not necessary that you have to do it after ticket issuance. You can do it with the ticket issuance also. But the only thing is, you can't do it before ticket issuance, because unless there is a ticket number in connection with, the EMD will not get issued. Yes, you can issue ticket and EMD together with one single entry. So instead of doing just TTP/RT, let's say you have a ticket and an EMD to be issued together, you can do TTP/TTM/RT. In this case, ticket and EMD will be issued together. Okay, if you have multiple TSTs and multiple TSMs to be issued, let's say I want to issue TST number 2. So you'll do TTP/T2/TTM, and I want to issue EMD number TSM number 1. So I will put TTM/M1/RT. So when I do this entry, both ticket as well as EMD will get issued.
If they ticket with the seats together, what will be the entry? TTP slash.
Now in this case, suppose you want to issue the ticket and the seating EMD together, you will do
Yeah.
TTP/TTM/M2/RT.
Sir, that M stands for M1, M2.
TSM. You know, TSM and TST, same thing. Like how you issue when you're issuing the ticket, what do you enter over there? TTP/Tango 2, right? What is that Tango 2? The Tango 2 is your TST number, correct? Similarly, when you're issuing EMD, if you'll do TTM and then M1, M2, that will be your TSM number. See, when you do TQM, if you have multiple TSM numbers, it will show right here, TSM1, TSM2. Like, for example, see, it is the same logic as your TST. Only thing is, instead of T, you will use M. See, when you do
Yes, sir,
TQT,
got it.
understood, no? When you do TQT, you get, if you have multiple TSTs, you will see the TST number here, right? Same way for TSM, you do TQM. Even all other entries, like you want to delete a TSM, right? So what we do for TST, we do TTE/Tango 1, right? For TST. In case if you want to delete a TSM, you will do TMX/M1. So that will delete the TSM number 1. Okay. If you want to delete all the TSMs, you can do TMX/all. It will delete all the TSMs. Okay. You want to check the history, instead of TTH, you will put TMH. So you will apply the same logic as your TST for the TSM also. Only thing is, instead of T, you will use M over here.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
I tried to add the point of payment in the PQMM2, but I got this message.
What message? This one? Need
Yes,
passenger TSM line association. Okay, can you share me your PNR?
sir.
Let me see
Hold on.
what have you. Okay, so I can see you have added your seat line number 6 and 7. Now when I do TQM, so your TSM number is 2. So tell me the entry that you're doing to add the form of payment.
I first go to the number 2, put PQM slash M2.
It's not required actually, but still, okay, fine. After that,
I put PMI slash FP, the hyphen,
no, one second. TMI slash,
um, F Foxtrot P Papa
mm-hmm,
slash hyphen dash.
hyphen cash. Now tell me what is wrong in this entry. What have
Mm,
you missed? You missed
I
the
don't know.
TSM number, right? M2, brother,
Okay.
M2.
Okay.
M2 slash, right?
Okay.
That's why you're getting that message. Okay, do this entry, you will get it. Okay, so these are the two main types of EMDs which we are issuing in our UAE and Oman markets. Okay, if you'll have anything different in your office when you're working, you can get in touch with us, or you can use this same logic to issue the EMD. Okay, but in training mode, we will normally show you these two. You can, in production mode, if you have anything different or any other.
It works, sir. I already issued the email. Thank you.
Sir, 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 you are in mute, I guess.
I'm sorry, I don't know how I went into mute. I'm sorry. Okay, so all clear on EMD? Any questions?
No, sir.
Yeah, it's pretty much simple, right? All you just need to do is click through the service catalog, and you can book the service and just need to click on book and price. In case if you're facing difficulties, you can call us in our help desk. We'll help you. Yeah.
Okay,
Richard,
sir.
I have a question.
Yeah. Tell me.
Okay, I did SM. I got the
Mm-hmm.
seat map.
Okay.
I selected a preferred seat, what my traveler wants.
Mm-hmm.
Seats have been blocked and I can see it on the face of the PNR. I've
Mm-hmm.
saved it. Hmm?
Mm-hmm.
Then, then I have to do FXG slash line
The element
number,
now.
the element number, wherever this is 8, 9, or 7, 8.
Mm-hmm.
Then I
Correct.
have to do TQM
Mm-hmm.
to check whether what form of payment. Now in TQM, I will not be able to see the form of payment, right?
You can,
I
no?
can,
You
no,
can see when
I
you
can
do
only
take.
see the segments which has been added.
Correct, because you have
Then,
not added your form of payment, so it is
correct.
showing blank.
Huh.
But if it is already added, then you can see it in the TQM.
Okay. If it's not added, if I do TQM,
Mm-hmm.
then post that I have to do an entry of TMI slash
Slash the
M1
TSM number.
first time.
Yeah.
Can I do M1 dash 2? No.
No, but if you have already added for M1, then you don't need to do it. If it is not there for M1, then you can do M1 hyphen 2. See, what we did in our example is we already issued M1. One moment, huh? Can I put you on mute, please? Who is this? I think somebody is very loud background sound. Okay, sorry. So what I'm saying is, Shraddha, if you have already issued your TSM1, in our example, we already issued this, right? So what was left to be issued was TSM number 2. So in this case, since 1 is already issued, nothing to do with 1, you can straight away put TMI slash M2 slash FP hyphen your form of payment. Let's say both my TSMs are not issued, and for both of them, the form of payment is not added. In that case, you will do TMI slash M1-2 / Fox Papa hyphen the form of payment.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
And then save it and then TTM
Then
/ RT.
/RT. Yeah. If you have
Oh.
multiple TSMs, then you need to do TTM / M1-2 / RT.
Okay. Okay, understood.
Okay. Same way for deletion, for checking the history. If you want to delete TMX / M1, delete all TMX /
/ all,
all.
check the
Yeah.
history, TMH.
TMH. Yes.
Yeah.
Same logic as your TST. All right. Okay, so these are the examples that we will cover in the EMD part. Okay, and if you all have any other EMDs, if you want me to issue or show it to you, you can let me know. All right.